which are mutual respect, humility, a strong sense of community, and the belief that no individual is greater than the whole. These are not abstract ideas. They are the foundation of social stability and shared progress. As we look to the future, we must resist the temptation of short-term thinking. The problems we face today were not created overnight, and they will also not be resolved overnight. But with patience, coordination, and sustained commitment, transformation is possible.
And in this spirit, that we come together, not as a tribal groups, not as political or religious factions, but as brothers and sisters, bound by the shared vision of peaceful, united, and prosperous future. To create platforms for dialogue and reconciliation and conflict resolution. To engage our youth, our most prosperous resources, in meaningful and productive ventures. To work collectively with government, traditional institutes, civil society, faith-based institutions, and the international partners towards a safer, stronger, and some inclusive north. Promote good governance and progress leadership recruitment process for the north.
We know that Arewa has seen difficult times. Many communities continue to face insecurity, economic struggles, and growing divisions. These are not abstract issues. They are real and personal for families, for young people trying to find their path, and for communities working to stay together despite the pressure. Even with all these challenges, we, however, know that Arewa is not defined by its problem. It is rather defined by its people, their values of resilience, hospitality, faith, and community that runs deep across our towns and villages.